is Mr. Dayanidhi Maran. Thank you so much for joining us, sir. Big campaigning going on. Just a few days to go for the elections. How is it looking?
See, it's looking very prospective for DMK and its allies to win more than 200 seats in Tamil Nadu. I'm very confident our candidate from the DMK in Egmore, Mr. Tamilan Prasanna, is going to win the huge margin from Egmore.
BJP has released a manifesto. They've spoken about 2,000 rupees for women. They've spoken about LPG gases. What would you want to say?
Hey, aren't you a hypocrite? You criticize every other party in India for giving freebies. And today, what are you doing? Shame on you, BJP.
And what do you have to say about AIDMK and BJP releasing separate manifestos? Why do you think that is?
Oh, it's a very clear symptom that means the alliance is not in sync. Something's wrong with the alliance.
Okay, so what do you have to say about Annamalai saying that this is about overthrowing the corrupt DMK from power?
Mr. Annamalai himself has been thrown away from BJP. Where is he? He's thrown away. He's a non-existent.
And Vijay? What do you have to say about Vijay? Vijay.
Sorry.
And his promises?
Sorry.
Nothing. Why is DMK being so silent on Vijay?
See, the fight is between DMK and AIDMK. The fight is between the progressive and a person like Mr. M.K. Stalin, who's trying to bring back the pride of Tamil Nadu, whereas the other person is the Edappadi Palaniswamy, who's trying to enslave Tamil Nadu to BJP.
Adhav Arjuna says that DMK is the B team of BJP.
Who's saying that? Who's saying that?
Adhav Arjuna.
Who's that?
Thank you so much for speaking to us. That was Dayanidhi Maran speaking to Times Now.